me casually walking around the thing we like. So, this is going to be a story when I went bird watching to Rye Harbour, Stotney and Dungeness. So, when we got over, that bee coming at me. Okay, so me and my dad, also known as my cameraman, and if he thinks this is going to get completely torn down, just call him a dumb cameraman. He took me to Rye Harbour so we could go on a boat to find some seals. So we went over to Rye Harbour and we went into the first tide. There was sandling and common sandpiper and redshank and haverset and oyster catcher and all the damn nice amazing birds. But then something came and then it flew over like that. So I thought, what is that? It's huge. Is it a curlew or is it a peregrine? There was a peregrine which flew over after. But there was a flock of 10 curlew who just went. It's an amazing thing to see. They don't do that noise, it's just like man pushing a big rude. I just want to lick my top. If I do it, I don't care because I am unstoppable. I want to write something on this. I'm unstoppable. No, I am. I'm not. I'm unstoppable. After the curlew flew over, and I gave you a bit of spoilers if you were listening properly, peregrine flew over, which there are these tiny small birds, and I was looking at them, like ready to see what they were, but they came up like, I'm here in a hive, just like, oh look, peregrine, oh wow. Next minute, oh what are those? There's a few birds just going, oh, boing, 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 boing. And I skylarked, and it was one of the first times I've seen them close up. And then before we even got in to the first tide, there was a rock pipit, and then redshank and all of them. We had a really close encounter of a sparrowhawk, and it turned to and then a redshank. So we had a good day at Rye Harbour, and it was only 30 minutes. And the next one was now on a boat trip, which held some more haversets, Dunlin, black-headed gulls, great black gulls, lesser black gulls, and then about 45 redshank. No, they weren't the exact same ones every single time. The person was on the boat with me, and they said that there was a great skua, so I was checking it out, and it wasn't. It was an oyster catcher. You could tell I was really into like wildlife. I was like, yeah, I definitely think that's a great skua. I didn't want to compliment him. Because I've done it to about 1 million people, so I don't want to. No, that's exaggeration. And then we saw ring cover and then some other special things on the boat. No, not on the boat, but around it. So a German ringed Pullman. It was winged in Germany. And then we went over to Stotney. On the way to Stotney, we looked in the pools area because there was a stalk scene. And then when I was doing the list, I thought I saw it. Like I was saying, yeah, I think we've seen it already. Because the pools were there and we were in the car decided, yeah, just drumming out the music. No, I am not driving the car because I am mighty young. TikTok. Don't have TikTok. Oh yes, my dad's also a cameraman thing. My cameraman keeps on sending me. What is that? That looks like a raven. What? That's a raven. I think that is a raven. And we saw 14 Druid swans. Gwen's not letting me speak. Yeah, so we saw 14 or 30 Druid swans. Oh my god. Just... It's raining that bad. And then we got over to Stotney, but we couldn't find the double bends, so we just had to go past. And I saw a few Brent geese, a few Woodin and Pintail and Teal and all of them, a few eclipse ducks and when I say eclipse I don't mean like weird stuff, I mean like mastery ducks. But like this one was a faded away pintail. This is the first I've ever seen. And then we went over to the sea at Dungeness. Now we saw gannets and then a possible Caspian gull and a great black gull, black-headed gull, Mediterranean gull. A possible kingfisher was at the reserve area. When we were there, Elsie was closed, so. And then also after that, there was this really special Pullman encounter, which was really nice for me. And then also at the back, possible red starts, pied whitetails and other whitetails. And then when we were walking out, we saw a hare and a fox. The fox and the hare. Literally story. And then fox and the hare? Tortoise and the hare? There's a mixed up story about it. Fox and the hare and the fox. Yeah. I used to hear mixed up stories. I don't anymore, and there was one of them. No one ever remembers it anymore, except for me. But now there's also been over to the reserve. There was great white egret, the glossy ibises, and then loads of ducks and kingfisher. And then on the way out, for the last thing, was 7 tattle egrets to greet us out, which was one of the nicest scenes I've ever seen. Because they were all like, yeah, that's what they were doing. Anyway.